common places that leaks happen in the house is in the kitchen sink. And a lot of people don't realize that 1 drop per second can add up to 3,000 gallons of lost water per year. And this is actually a pretty simple fix, and you want to make sure that you get this addressed because it can make your water bill go up and it wastes water. So a lot of times this washer will wear out here in the faucet. And it's a pretty simple fix. You can go up to the home improvement store and get one of these faucet heads and just twist it off and put it back on, and it'll save you a lot of water.